in this case, I would fold the paper like that. That way you can see that on one side and that on the other as a short little page, you know, so you've got different variations. With this page, I would fold it that way because of that. Again, with that one, I would fold it that way because it depends. With the picture being like that, I would, yeah, fold it that way. Yeah, so there's lots of pages in here. And the back has got that beautiful thing as well. Let's see if we can find a date to show. No. It's got an index. Oh, look at that. Cute little images and little fruits. Little pictures there, illustrations. Yeah, so you get that book, and then you get this book. This is lots of music pages from the 30s. I do believe it's the 30s. Let me have a look. It's very big. So each page you can cut out and fold in half. Margaret Lamont Morton, 3 Howard Street, Kilnock, Earl, White, Scotland. Okay. And here it says Glasgow. I saw a date here. Well, it looks very old. I'd say 20s or 30s. Lots of beautiful pages. Uh, 67. 72, yeah, 72 pages, front and back. It's pretty awesome. There we go, you get that. And then you will get a folder with, this file folder itself is from the 80s, early 80s. It's got the, yeah. Right, so I've got a few different bits and pieces in here. This was from a book I got the other day of lots of Victorian women. Some lovely illustrations there, and again the way it is, you can fold it that way to use in your journal instead of cutting that flower off and folding it that way. It's up to you. Gorgeous. There's a double page. Look at those beautiful colours. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. This is from an old kid's book from the 50s, I believe. It's one page. Jeez, it's very thick. That will be lovely folded in half. Oh, that's cute. And these are from the Golden Books. Reader's Digest from the 60s. Beautiful. This is from a 1960s illustrated dictionary. So it's a dictionary with illustrations. How beautiful is that? I was so happy when I found that. With this image, I would make the fold like that. So one page is like that, and then the other page like that. Here is another one. I would fold that this way. You've got your beautiful bird image here. A beautiful owl. That's gold. Castle and some like a tree branch. And you've got some beautiful paper. Oh my gosh, that will be nice on a cover maybe. That's kind of like see-through, and it's got velvet there. And oh, I love that. That's awesome. Love that texture through. Again, this is velvet. This is thick, and it's like the velvet on here, beautiful, like a Victorian vintage cover journal maybe. Actually, I might do that actually, and put like a Victorian image on there. That would be beautiful. And check this out. Oh my gosh, can you see that? It's like see-through, and that is like white velvet, the flower. It's like a white velvet flower. So pretty. And look at that, red and gold, and this is velvet too. The red is velvet. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Like fabric paper. And here is another beautiful one. So the back is like this, and there's the other side. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. Beautiful. I think this was gift wrapping paper from the 80s. Yes. And you can use these for little flip tags. I love the little, this is huge. I don't know if you're seeing this, but it's really big, like the size of a really big gift wrapping. Yeah, it's almost as big as a table. It's huge. So just so you see, it's 4 of these, if you can see all that. It's like 4 of those. And you know, I love the little flip tags that Paula Lemon makes. So that will be good to use for that. Yeah. So that is everything. So if you're interested in that, I'm selling everything for only 100 Australian dollars plus $20 shipping. It's 2 kilos, so that's about, I think we can ship up to, unless it's gone up, but last time it was, you can ship up to 3 kilos in Australia for $19. If you're from overseas, especially countries like England and America, yeah, you can get this for a real bargain. And I will let me know what country you're from, and I will find out how much it will cost to ship to your country the 2 kilos. Yeah, so lots of goodies. 120 Australian dollars shipped anywhere in Australia, and if you're from overseas, roughly from my experience, I'm guessing roughly 50 Australian dollars shipped, which is probably about 30 US, 35 US shipping. That's just a rough estimate. Yeah, so lots of beautiful goodies. So if you're interested, drop me a line. Or if you're from overseas, this weighs a lot. So maybe if you want to bring the shipping down a bit, you can take this book out or something. It's up to you. We'll work something out. Yeah. Okay. So that is all. And I will have it the way it was when I first opened it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Just leave a comment below if you're interested. Bye. Thank you.